Welcome to LTW Ergonomic Solutions at this year's 2026 Applied Ergonomics Conference down here in Arlington, Texas. And it's really cool. It's a beautiful brand new hotel, the Lowe's, and I want to introduce you to our booth right here, and we'll come on through and show you what we've got to offer here at the AEC. And so right off the bat, we've got this really cool Ergo weld table that is just amazing. And now welders can get their ergonomic on as well, just by simply pressing a pedal, and that's going to raise that whole entire weld table up for different heights operators and welders, or even different product that you might be welding on the table. And we're also showcasing here our friends at Higherbotics has their amazing cobot welding solution here. And we got Colin here from Higherbotics just programmed this, and he goes all over the nation and stuff, helping people really use this robotic solution and be way more productive. So we're working with them to get it so that we can work together as a team to help people actually work safer and more efficiently and even happier. And so that's really cool. So definitely, welders all out there, we want to help you get your ergonomic on and save your backs as you're welding. Then we'll go right around the booth and just kind of show you our cool products. So we've got this ultra low operator platform here that we sell just tons and tons of these things all over the world, helping people raise themselves up and down to the work. Because like this is raising the work to the operator. Well, the platforms of ours raise the operator to the work. So like Mindy, she's raising that up and down. It's going up to actually maybe like distribution centers and pick stations. You can go ahead and raise that up. And then if you're going down, we've got our safety edge sensor. As it's going down, it'll come in contact with my foot. It actually stops and raises off of that a little bit. Pretty neat little feature there. We can custom design these for your application, whatever it is. And it's really cool. Our engineering team is phenomenal. So we'd love to help you guys get your ergonomic on with operator platforms. And speaking of operator platforms, I have you come on around here. And we've got a small little operator platform. This is called our Chariot. It's just a simple personal operator platform that you can just raise yourself up. You can roll that right into a station, maybe a conveyor or a press brake or something like that. And you can just go ahead and have that operator, different shifts, different operators, different heights, just raise themselves up and down to just go ahead and work in their power zone. And it's just a beautiful product. We sell lots of these going all over the world, helping people work safer and efficiently. And we'll go to this cool collaborative robot table. We call this our co-base. And so if you got a collaborative robot and you don't know what to do, what to put it on, well, we've got multiple solutions that we can go ahead and have you do that. And so you can just mount that up in a moment, and the controller mounts right under there, just perfect. And now you can just go ahead and have a collaborative experience with a collaborative robot that's made to actually collaborate with what? Humans. But all humans, we're all different heights. So now we, LTW, are helping you collaborate with the robot with different people of all different heights. It's a wonderful opportunity. And this one here, you can then lower it down and it'll go onto casters from the levelers, and you can just easily wheel that wherever you need it. So it's really, really cool. And then we roll on over here. We've got our new mod base, modular workstation and table base and machine base. So this is actually designed to go ahead, kind of like Legos, and just kind of bolt things all together. You can go from a simple E2 base of ours to putting a tabletop on it, to putting our LC caster frames on here and forklift tubes on here. Then you can keep on building on this thing. You can go ahead and mount our brackets on the back side of here mount a whole overhead frame to make it into a workstation. Then you can even go ahead and bolt on our tilt table frame under there that now you can push the button and it'll raise it up and down, and you can even push the button and tilt the work surface right to you. So you're getting your ergonomic on 2 different ways with that. So that's a beautiful opportunity. Wonderful, wonderful, very flexible workstation and base, so that now in the future you may want to change it up a little bit. You can easily do that as your needs change. Then this workstation is a rapid change technology workstation. It actually makes it so that the shelving, usually you'll mount shelving to these uprights and everything, and you dedicate this workstation to a process of a part. And now that one workstation, that's all it can do. But this workstation, our patented RCT Rapid Change Technology workstation, makes it so that you can actually lower it all the way down, and then with the patented lever mechanism, you can go ahead and pull that right off the back side, and you can roll in, which we won't do right now, but you could roll in a shelving unit. So you can have a shelving unit that slides right in here, docks in there, that goes up and down with it. And then if you want to, you can have a collaborative robot, and the collaborative robot just goes ahead and docks inside of it. And so that will just go ahead and raise up and down with it, which is really, really cool. And so, so then we can push an electric button, that just goes ahead, locks right in there, and just raises that right up and down. And now, sure enough, just like the Cobase, the collaborative robot is now collaborating with humans of all different heights. We go ahead and raise this up and down to work with different height people. So then this, we'll go ahead and our last product is our pick-to-cart. So this pick-to-cart is for like distribution centers or anywhere you're needing to pick products and stuff. You can go ahead and roll that, all aluminum construction, very lightweight, and it's got stairs that you can go ahead and put down. You can go ahead and walk right up, pick to taller things. You can put those right into a tote up top, 2 different totes. We don't have the second tote up here, but you put it on this tote, and then you can pull this out like a drawer and just load parts in here, or you can actually put parts right through, smaller ones, right through there from the operator's perspective. So that's a really neat product. So as we go back on over here, we'll go ahead and finish up by saying, if you want to learn more about LTW and all of our ergonomic solutions, you can just go to our website, LTW1.com. Get your ergonomic on.